my YouTube channel. This is the fake AirPods which I got from Instagram. It costs around 1600 rupees. The packing is very good. It looks like the same AirPods. We have some documentations, and the AirPod is looking solid. I have some charger. It's a lightning pro charger. Let me connect it to my iPhone, and it pop-ups like the original AirPods. And if I have to hold that button, then it's connecting. Let me show you. Yeah, it's connected now. You can see it's connected. If you like this video, please subscribe. There is no problem in this AirPods. Siri and everything is working fine. The sound quality in this AirPods is very well as compared to its price, and the double tap option for skipping the song and waking up Siri is working very well. There is no problem. I haven't faced any issue with this. It takes a lot of time to edit these videos and upload it, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.